How to make anything react to music in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag a text plus in timeline and adjust its duration to match your music. Select the text and in the inspector change its style to your liking. Click on this button to open the text on the Fusion page. Select the template node, press Shift plus space, search for glow, and add it. Adjust glow's size and glow to your liking. Right-click on Blend Value and choose Modify with MIDI Extractor. Now go to Modifiers tab. Here you need to specify a MIDI file from your music. In your browser search for Convert Wave to MIDI. Go to this site Bare File Converter. Drag your audio file here to upload it. Click on Convert button. Click on Download button. Now drag downloaded MIDI file in the MIDI file input. Once you're happy with the result, go back to the Edit page. In this video I made the glow to react to the music, but you can use any property.